Hello everyone, my name is Soham. I am excited to share my project with you. It's called Code Bhajia, an engaging platform designed to enhance coding skills and problem solving skills. Please note that this is a portfolio project developed for learning and showcasing purposes. It's simulated product showcase to demonstrate my skills and understanding of product presentation. I am a aspiring full stack developer and currently in my third semester of BTech after completing my diploma in computer engineering. Developers often face this type of issues, finding challenging problems, tracking progress, receiving feedback, staying motivated, and managing time. With Code Bhajia, I am aiming to address these common coding challenges. Remember, your success depends on you. We give you the tools, but you do the work. So here is a small demo of our platform. You can look at the problems page and you can select any problem to solve. Let's choose the sum of the array. And here is the playground. On the left side you can see the description in the markdown format, and on the right side you can see the code editor as well as the test cases and test result tab. So here are some test cases, and the test result isn't showing because we haven't run the code. So you also can choose the language that you prefer, and you also can customize the font size of the editor of this editor. You can click over here to get the tips from AI. So let's write a very spaghetti solution for this problem. So let's click on the test button. All the test cases get executed successfully. So let's do some mess around this. So let's multiply it by 2 to see that our test cases actually get executed or not. So the case 2 get successfully executed. So let's see what it is. So it is 0. So yeah, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 as obviously, but the test case 1 and 3 didn't get executed. So let's fix this. Again test it. Now our test cases get executed, but let's optimize this solution by the AI. So let's click on the AI tips. Now you can see the suggestion from the AI that we should use the inbuilt method reduce to make this code even better and optimized. So let's copy the solution and let's paste it over here. Let's click on the test button again. Here we can see all the test cases get executed. So let's submit our code. So I have submitted the code successfully. Now let's click on the submission button if you want to see the submission from other people. So here are the submission from other people on various problems. Code Bhajia is more than just a platform. It's a community of developers growing together. Join us on this coding journey. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your time and support. In the next video, I will dive deep into the detailed showcase of this project. Stay tuned to see how the platform works, explore its features, and learn more about its development. Don't forget to like, follow so you don't miss out. And we can connect on following platforms.